Hey guys, so have you ever come across this kind of recipe? Olive and ham savory cake. It's one of my favorite from my childhood and I still dreaming of it. My auntie was making it all the time and since then my whole family making it. It's so good. So olives, nice little green olives from the deli. They're really good. I bought this tin. So right size, regular cake tin. For this recipe, I might give you the right size. So let's start it. Yeah. So we need 250 gram flour. Ooh. There you go. We need 15 gram of baking powder. There. Here we're gonna put 3 eggs. Beautiful. Some lovely white wine. 100 gram. In it. And some sunflower oil. I go like for 80 gram and 20 gram of olive oil. There you go. Mix it, mix it. Beautiful. Voila. Until you have a nice batter like that. So we need 100 gram of grated cheese. This is grated cheddar. 100 gram. You can do with Emmental, any kind of cheese you like really. We're gonna put 100 gram of olives. Those ones are quite big, so I'm gonna chop them in pieces. You could use black and green, to be fair. Yeah, let's do that. Black and green olives, the mixture. So 50 gram of the green. That's it. And 50 gram of the black. They're big as well, so we're gonna shoot it. There. Lovely. Some ham. So ham, we need 250 gram. Usually we are using diced ham, so you have like little dice, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use a slice, which I will dice. Be okay like that. There you go. All the ham in it. Let's mix it, and that will be done. smells wonderful. Lovely. So let's put it in a mold. Bit of grease. Lovely. Spread it equally in the mold. And here the best thing is to put cheese on top all over, so it becomes like crusty cheesy. Something like that. And that goes in the oven 170 until nice and golden, until it's cooked from the middle. So you put the knife, if it comes out clean, it's cooked. And if it starts getting too much color, put a parchment paper on top and carry on the cooking, so it's gonna steamed and it will stop coloring. And if you're scared, reduce the heat at 160 and then it'll be fine to finish it off cooking. But start it at 170. Let's do it. There you go, baby cake. Let's check the cake. Ah. Look at this. It's beautiful. Yes, comes out clean. Good sign. Right, okay, so let's unmold it. Ah, beautiful color. Look at that. With that cheesy top. Whew, hot. Okay, we're gonna let it cool down. And I can't wait to slice it. It's time to travel back. Let's cut it. Oh yes, baby. Where are the black olives? Here they are. Look at this beautiful cake. Oh my god. Huh. Oh my god. But maybe because it's a flavor from my childhood, but I mean, it's exceptional. So imagine, you have the base of the batter, and you can play with it. Once, I've put smoked salmon, a bit of fresh dill. You can do lots of things with it. Once you have the base of the batter, you can play around with lots of different things. But you got to try the ham and olives. That's it, guys. Enjoy.